Peaches. So today we are in Roblox Royal High. Today I'm going to tell you some items that I regret buying in Roblox Royal High. Slash getting also, I got some from the video, some I bought, and yeah. So let's just start the video by taking all of my things off. No! No, I'm wearing nothing. Need an outfit. Wear something. Walk. Okay. Now let's start from the wings. First is the mini electronic. Here is she again. I'm gonna tell her I'm recording. She's like, she comes in my every video. What are you doing here again? And like, it's the next. Oh no! Stop. Now, so these wings I obviously hate. Next is the divine messenger. These are like these are very cute, but I don't really like the design they have. Next is the ghosty wings. I mean, like, I don't like any of the wings. So let's just move on skirts. First skirt that I hate, that I regret buying, not hate, I really love it. Oh, I just kicked her from party. So yeah, this is the secret funny on the earth skirt. It's very cute and all. I'm just gonna ignore her, okay? No need to look there. Next is the real life mermaid. Okay, this skirt really looks good with Chanel boots, but in my opinion, I really don't like this skirt. It's in my opinion. I don't mind if anyone loves it. I'm so sorry if it defended you, but yeah. So this is the sparkly stroke. I cannot use it in any outfit. Like I have no ideas to use this. So yep, these are all the skirts that I regret buying. Oh wait, no, it's not letting me go in. Yeah. So these are the strappy Wonder Fairy heels. I'm like, I really regret getting these. I I traded my other chicken legs for these chicken legs trade with my cousin. Okay. Now next is work. Work. Guys, it's not okay. Yes. So the first is don't pick me please. I'm gonna remove my name so you guys can see it properly. So this is how it looks. I mean, like, what is this? What is this? What is this flower? Okay, and no hate, no defense, but I'm like crazy. Yeah, let's just ignore that. I'm so sorry, I'm ignoring you. I'm just gonna remove it. I cannot do a color challenge with the guys. Then next is the dipper top hat. Wait, I'm gonna color it in here. So the dipper top hat, I got it from the wheel. It's a very good item. I really like it, but I just regret getting it because I don't know. It's very weird looking. I cannot use it in any outfit. So yeah, just remove it. Next is the reindeer ride. Okay, no defense here. I really love this reindeer. I always use it to troll other people, but I oopsies. Just to take him off. I regret getting him, but I love him. Ash skateboard. Okay, first I thought this item is so cool. I really wanted, but then when I got it, I was like, eek, what is this? I don't really like it. In my opinion, I don't like it. Okay, no hate, no defense in this video. Next is this no, this mask is cool. Next is the what was next? Yeah, the pilot hat. Pilot hat is what is this? It's good for Sunset Island, but I don't go to Sunset Island mostly and never get the pilot theme. So yeah. Next are not from the Earth antenna. I regret getting these. These I couldn't have got something else. But what are these? What are these? These shining, glowing thingies on my head, huh? Then is the Princess Poofy sleeves. No hate here. I really love these poofy sleeves, but look at these. What are? Hey, get out. So, okay, no. What? No, no. I don't like these. I'm very I'm not obsessed with these. I wish it looked better, but no. Then next is the Breathe Me mask. What is this? Does anyone uses this? Excuse me? She's on a phone trying to see. She's texting. I cannot see anything. Okay. I don't like this. Next, where is it? I always get lost. Wait, no, here is it. Huh. This is the flower lay. I no defense, no hate, but no. I like. I shouldn't have opened the box, but it's a good accessory in my opinion. I don't like it, but thank you for working so hard just to make this. I'm gonna text her. I'm gonna say hi. Let's see what she says. It's December 10th. Today is 9th September. Wait, why? It's September, right? Oh, she's texting me. Sorry, I'm recording. I'm so sorry, sis. I'm so sorry. I regret doing this to you. Okay. Next, this is the last accessory, guys. This is the Sunday best hat. I don't know. It's just weird for me. Any hairstyle doesn't work. The hairstyles that I really love, I always try to go with them, but this is what it comes up like. Oh my gosh, this hat is very cute, but it should work with every single hair. I really wanted to work with every single hair. So yeah, so guys, that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wait, did she text me? I'm just ending the video. Guys, she's going crazy. Okay, so that's all for the video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.